overwintering your manifold and timer. So as the weather gets colder, we decommission these systems by unscrewing them from the tap and bringing them into a frost-free environment. Freezing weather can damage your timer. You can see this by water dripping out of the small hole at the bottom, and it can also split your manifold and do damage to your garden tap. So we'll start off by turning off the tap. So in your garden you'll have the tap here, turn it all the way off. Ensure all of these are turned to the right, to the off position. Then we can start by unscrewing the mainline pipe from the bottom of the timer. This will release pressure from your garden system, and if this freezes, air will just come out of the end and you won't get any emitters popping out. We unscrew this and take this into a frost-free environment, so either in a garage or in the home if you've got somewhere you can tuck it away, and that will protect it. We can put it back on in the spring. The next thing to do is remove the batteries. There's two AA batteries in the back. Take them both out, and we recommend replacing them with fresh batteries in the spring to avoid them running out mid-spring when they really need the water, as it can be often quite hard to detect when the system runs out of battery.